Okay, we have an accounting website in Greenville, South Carolina. Just a few problems with this. It's very professional, very concise, no complaints there. I would keep this little banner with the phone number. I would keep that on the page at all times, let it just be an infinite scroll. I'm not sure why you would want to send somebody to social media when they're already on your website, especially an Instagram page. It gets very little traction. I checked it. Uh, there's no need for somebody to look at pictures of anything accounting related. Trust me, that's never going to pay off. And they're already on your website. Don't send them away to get distracted by a billion different things. Right here, they got some Greenville downtown pictures, which lets you know that they are a legit local company. The team right here, a bunch of good looking people. If I tell you what, that's the best looking group of accountants you'll probably ever see. But the weird arrows here, they don't do anything. That's a web design glitch. So whoever's doing this web design, you might want to fix that. And this looks strange. I don't know why they did that. These arrows, it's not apparent that this changes the text, but that's what it's there for. So overall, good website. It's concise. You know exactly what they do. They make your life easier and your business better. That's the meat and potatoes of copywriting. People want things easier. They like new stuff. They like free stuff. So don't underestimate simple words like that, that you see over and over again, but they work.